Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today I'm going to be doing a quick update video on some new stuff I've added to my channel, and let's get into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
This video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video.
Okay, guys, so starting off this video, I just want to let you know that I have a bunch of products in the work to be reviewed. Been trying to look for stuff to review because I haven't done a product review video in actually a decent amount of time. So, figuring out stuff to review. One in particular, which I have actually a tab open right here. It's called the Fifine USB Plug-and-Play Home Studio USB Condenser Microphone for Skype recordings for YouTube, Google Voice Search, games, Windows, Mac, K668. This is basically to improve audio quality on the channel, and because audio is probably just as important as video. So this video currently is not using this mic. I'm using a gaming headset microphone. This one's pretty good, but I'm going to be doing a review of this. I also have plans to do phone reviews as well as a monitor review. Yeah, and some other stuff which I will let you guys know in the upcoming future. So that's number one. Got some videos planned. Number two, moving over here. If I can exit out of this. I started up an Instagram. The main reason I did this is because I've used Instagram. I've had a personal account for a while. I know how to use Instagram very well, how to post and how to use hashtags. I've used Twitter in the past. I'm not a big fan of Twitter, so that's why I'm still going to be posting on Twitter when I upload and stuff, and I'll just tweet out occasionally. But I'm using Instagram here because I'm familiar with it, and I'm hoping to grow an audience on here to help boost my views on YouTube. So I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, my Instagram account name, Instagram URL, so you guys go follow me. I currently have 8 followers and I literally just started it. I'm going to be posting behind the scenes stuff as well as snippets from my videos, and yeah, that should be fun. So this is my channel, and moving on to the third thing, which is something I'm most excited about. I've been thinking about this for a while, and I finally went ahead and did it. I've had previous experience with this sort of stuff, and if you guys want me to tell you finally, I'm actually going to, sorry I'm irritating you, but I've started up a merchandise store. I've waited a long time to do this, just because when you're starting out YouTube, it's kind of difficult to get people to actually like visit your store and buy stuff, especially if you have like under 100 subscribers. It's like no one really cares about you that much, but now it's well over 1,000. I think this is a good time to start it. As you can see here, I intentionally priced everything very low compared to what Teespring was recommending me to price. I'm almost making barely any profit off any of this stuff, guys. I'm not trying to make money off you guys. This is just a way for me to kind of spread my influence. That's my main intention here, and I want you guys to have some way to kind of like represent the brand of Life Made Easy. And I think Teespring did a bang-up job creating this store. I literally created this in like under 20 minutes, and I think it looks really clean. I got some stickers. I got a hoodie, long sleeve shirt, and a standard t-shirt. Comes in 2 colors. Comes in black as well as kind of like gunmetal gray, sort of like that. I plan on adding more stuff in the future, but right now I'm going to stick with this stuff. Yeah, so, and if you also want to support the channel, this is another alternative to do so rather than just like, I don't know, liking and subscribing. So yeah, those are the 3 things that I have added to the channel. Well, 2 things, and one's just future plans, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy where we're going with this channel. And if you guys have any recommendations on what you want to see on this channel, leave them in the comments. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I make tech tutorials and tech reviews. Probably do some Fortnite tutorials coming up, something like that. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.